Alright guys, back here, Port Dos, getting my old trusty Harbor Freight socket set. Gotta do some work on the old Mae West, and the reason I call her Mae West is because Grandma named it. R.I.P. Grandma, she passed away last year of breast cancer. And, oh guys, she's a lot better where she's at than stuck down here. Plus, she'd probably be yelling at me for being out in this weather, working on dirt old SA200s. But, let's see what we can get done here, guys. It's not too cold. I'm just getting over a cold myself. So, you know, she's still leaking oil. You know, the old saying goes, if it's leaking oil, it's probably an SA200. No. Ooh, look at that. Look at that bungee cord. She's rock solid. Oh, it's not me, it's you. Alright, guys. Oh, I gotta take these leads off of this inverter. I think I popped a fuse, and to get to it and disconnect it, I just gotta do all the fancy doodads here. But now let's just hook up the jumper pack right now, see if I can even get the old girl started. Oh, yeah, it's another Scamazon, I'm sorry. Hobo Freight Special. This is on sale a couple years ago. I had an old 99 Suzuki Vitara, poor man's Jeep, and that was actually the car I learned how to drive manual in, and Grandma gave it to me as a graduation present after my grandfather had passed away, and she owned half the house, so, you know, good figure. Alright, let's see. Forgot how to use this thing. So, let's just give her a little bit of a charge. Just give it a couple minutes. But yeah, I've used this jumper pack for about, I think, I want to say 2 years now. And, it's never let me down. I always keep it in a shed or in the house. You know, always have it charged up. I actually charged it before this little winter storm happened, and I purposely got, or not purposely because I'm cheap, but I got a die-hard marine battery, because sometimes I don't use this machine for a while, and have it set a little bit, so see what we can do here. Oh, that's where I left my drink. FYI, the welding shop that I go to, they have these little hydration packs. Work flawlessly, in my opinion. They always work good. But yeah, choke's stuck. So once it gets started up, hopefully it gets started up, she'll need to be the old manual style pushed. So I don't have the remote connected. Little high idle switch. See what happens now. She does not sound happy, boys and girls. Not happy one bit. Sure, it's connected. That might be a cause. A loose battery connection. Let's see. Maybe give it a little bit more. Charge a little bit more, and just wait. Well, how's everybody's Monday going. This is getting filmed at a Monday afternoon here in Texas. You know, we usually don't see this much snow, but you know, a lot of people saw what was going on from the last time, kind of got spooked, which I don't blame them. Some people had it rougher than I did, and well, definitely people had it rougher than I did during the snowpocalypse in Texas. But hope everyone's warm and safe, you know, and hope this 200 starts. Old Mae West. Yeah, Grandma named this old 65 red-faced Mae West. If you guys don't know who she is, which probably all of you don't know who she is, she was an old actress from the 1920s, and you guys should look her up. You'll get a chuckle out of Grandma's sense of humor. Why she named her Mae West. But yeah. Let's see, I don't know if she's gonna start, if I'm being completely honest. Whew. She might need a little snort. Probably should have threw a heat lamp on it, but I didn't think I was gonna be down here, to be completely honest. If you guys can't tell, the Lone Shack isn't fully water insulated. Yeah, this all frozen mud. But let's see what I got here in the shop. Do I have any Brake Clean or anything? I don't think I do. Oh, poo, that might be the end of it. That might be the end of this video, guys. Sorry to blue ball you guys, but if I ain't got any starting fluid, I don't know if Mae West is start up. What's this down here? Paint. Yeah. Well, let me check my truck, but I don't think I got any. I got grease. I got grease. See if I can give her a little snort, if I have any. Oh. Is there anything in it? Oh, let's go. I didn't even know I had that out here. Oh shit. Almost busted ass. Oh shit, almost busted ass again. Give her 2 snorts. Oh! She almost fired off with a little snort of the old Brake Clean. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, just all the good stuff. Oh, come on, baby. This is the first time I've done a proper cold start on this old girl, too. Kind of giving me flashbacks of a certain Canadian guy who likes Cosby sauce and dirty old minty Fords. Ooh! Dang it. it'd be cool if you saw this video, maybe a little bit of free merch. Granted, I'm on the large side. So, probably socks or cologne. That's mostly what mostly fits me. Ooh, come on. Oh, come on, girl. Come on, Mae West. You want to? Oh. Ooh, Mae West is not happy. What'd you give her? Oh, yeah. That's just a little. I mean, how much is too much? Come on, old girl. You want to start. Oh, come on. Come on, you're right there. Let's try a trick I learned from an old one-legged Canadian. Let's see, where is it? Ow! Is heating up the old oil pan, see if that helps. Let the battery starter cool down a little bit. Let's see. Alright. Another again, Harbor Freight special. You know, the old trigger pull. Let's see if this sucker starts. Oh yeah. I mean, who wants to worry about an open flame next to a canister that may or may not have brake clean in it? I mean, who cares? I'll give it another. Hit the other side. Alright, let's get on the other side and give it the 1-2. My hands are cold. I should have put on some gloves, but you know, I'm an idiot. Give her the old 1-2 from the old reach around, and kind of treat her like an old prom date. You know, damn it. You know, someone threw this in the dump, and I just say, you always find the mintiest stuff at the dump. Ooh, ground's a little cold, go figure. Yeah, the front main seal just kind of leaks. Just kind of. And the rear. And the governor. And the magneto. If you can't tell by that super even gasket right there, she has a little bit of an oil leak. But I'll fix her eventually. That oil pan. See if that helps. It's my first time doing that because obviously it doesn't get that cold here in Texas, at least where I live. Oh, I gotta get my fat carcass up. Yeah. Maybe just give her a little snort, a little snorty snort. How much brake clean? All of it. Whew. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, it worked. It worked, let's go. Turn the old high idle switch on, see that kicks off. Oh, kind of. I mean, she started. There's a tip for anybody. If something's not working, plenty of Cosby sauce, and or in my case, brake clean, and a propane torch. Heat up the oil pan. I'll be able to get running. That old 65. Fair enough. Yeah. Turn that off. There you go. She started. It's, I think, about 20 degrees right now. So it's not too cold compared to most places, but cold nevertheless. Oh, and FYI guys, if you ever need metalworking gloves or anything, don't get these. At least the longer cuffed ones. Like, I like these gloves, I really do. They're comfortable, the goat skin, you know, they have the cut resistant and impact resistant, but I really wanted to like these gloves too, at least the welding ones with longer cuffs. If you're like me, you never have an angle grinder key with you, you just slap the side of the disc and it usually comes loose. Well, I went to do that with the other set and it just completely plumb ripped this glove in half. I mean, other than that, I mean, they're comfortable gloves and I like them. But man, she's idling, guys. Look at that. Yeah, temperature might not be accurate because I never taped it up, but has some ice on it. But I mean, she's idling good, actually, in my opinion. Yeah, I just gotta let her get warmed up. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys stay warm, stay safe, and talk to you guys later.